Hi guys, hoping you are having a good Sunday morning. So what I would like to talk about today is the stock rights offering, or what we call an SRO in the stock market for ACEN, which happened last Thursday. No, actually it's Friday, but the ex date is January 8th, which is Friday. So the last date you can avail for the SRO rights is January 7th. So if you have stocks during that day or during the end of the day of January 7, you can avail for the SRO rights of ACEN, which is priced at 2.37 per common shares. So, what is an SRO? So, SRO is like what a company offers to us investors or traders, retailers, so they can increase their funds, looking for some capital for their expansion of their some businesses or some projects that they are trying to do in the future. So right now, or at least before the X date, the price was for ACEN is around 8.95. That is on last January 7. So I have a screenshot here. So we can see from January 7, the uh, last price is 8.95. So that is the closing price during that day. But after opening on January 8th, yeah, January 8th, we can see that the opening is around 8.01. So what happened there, right? We have here some computations done. So the outstanding shares of ASEN is around 13.6 uh, billion shares, which has a price of 8.95. So you just multiply that one to see the market cap of that company. Then the number of rights or the common shares that they are trying to offer the public is around 2.26 billion shares and price at 2.37, and that would be around 5.3 billion for the market cap. So basically what you just have to do is add the previous market cap and the value of the rights that they are trying to offer divided by the new outstanding number of shares. So just add the shares, which is 13.6 billion plus 2.3, around 2.3 billion. Then just divide the total capitalization now. Then you have the 8.02. That's what happened here with the opening of 8.02. Oh, 8.02. This one. Yeah, around that area. So what happened during that SRO X date? So a lot of people actually tried to sell all their shares because once you have bought the shares at the end of the day of January 7, you are already um, allowed to buy the stock rights offering, so you don't have to hold your position or your stocks during that day. So you can just sell it, then wait for the stock for ASEN to let you buy those shares that you are accounted for. So which you can buy at 2.37. So that's a huge discount from its current price at 8. So what really happened? So we can see that from that day there's a really big bullish green candle there. So for us to see what happened during that price action, we have to check the lower time frame. So for me it's a 5 minute time frame to see which are they uh what kind of action happened during that day. So the price opened at 6.21. So if you try to see how many percentage loss that is, that would be around 22% loss. So if you have 10,000 pesos holding for ASEN, you'll be losing around 2,000, 2,000 to 225, around that area. So what happened? So a lot of people sold their positions, but a lot of people are also trying to buy uh, those shares that other people sold. So if you try to see at the lowest time frame, which is a 1 minute time frame, let's zoom out. So everybody was buying because for them this is a discount already, a discounted price for them. Maybe it's their evaluation of the value of the company's stock price. But we can see here 6 from 6.21, which is the opening price at 9:30 as the market opens. We can see that uh it keeps on rising. The price just keeps on rising. So from if you sold your position here, right, at the opening 6.21, so you lost 22% of your current uh current capital or current position you have. But if you just wait for it patiently, because as the price bounced back, you could have just lost around, yeah, 1.46. So I mean that's a very big loss there. There's a very big gap going from 22.5% to 1.46 loss, right? So what really happened? So since a lot of uh I can't say investors or retailers, but a lot of people are trying to buy that price at a discounted price, 6.2. So it keeps on going up until around 10:30. So 10:30 seems like those scalpers, what can I say? Yeah, those intraday traders already sold their positions around here. So since is a big that is a big gain, 27% gain from 6.2. I mean, you cannot get that anywhere in the market. It's like I cannot say that it's a one in a million trade for just an intraday, right? But that's a very big gain, 27%. So if you have 100,000 position for ACEN, you could have gained 27,000 in just a matter of less than an hour. So since a lot of uh, intraday traders are already selling off their positions, the price went down from 7.91 to around 7.5, around that area. Then it tried to stabilize around that price and closed at 7.82. So if you just hold on into your positions until the end of the day, you uh, just lost 2.37 instead of the whole whooping 22% if you just uh, hold on and wait for the price to correct itself or bounce off. I mean, we cannot really say anything that the price might or might not bounce during that SRO date, but for this stock for ACEN, the price really did bounce. And just to give you the whole picture, that 6.02 area is the previous resistance area. So from last year, from yeah, that's the box, or that's the resistance level that the previous accumulation tried to break off or broke off last December. So that's what happened last Friday. It's an action-packed Friday for the closing of the first trading week of the PSEI. So I'm not sure if you joined or tried to participate during this trade, but I hope that your loss is acceptable, or at least you could have joined the price action during that 1 hour window time and gained. So happy trading, guys, and hopefully that we can have a very good trading year. Here's to more gains than losses. Thank you, guys.